Meteorologist Joe Bastardi, I remember who I am, your Go Salt Weekly update. I want to show you why this pattern is going to get dangerous again as we approach the equinox. The last 2 weeks of March are going to be like a minefield meteorologically. This is day 12, and you can see the depth of this trough over the eastern part of the United States. And there may indeed be a storm right along the eastern seaboard, and that would be March 19th. And you can see what this is an ensemble. It's 51 members, and you put them all together, and this is what it gets. A single run is really showing that feature, digging in, and it's these big upper air features that come in here that cause problems. I'm going to show you an example a little bit later, because what I try to do is I try to show you the why before the what. It doesn't mean it has to happen, but when you start seeing similar patterns to the past, you sort of say, uh-oh, look out. Day 15, you see this configuration? Because of this here, this should wind up very strong over the mid-Atlantic states around day 16 or 17. And indeed, that control model, the European, West Shore Hudson Bay energy coming out, this digging in. So there's 2 or 3 more threats that should concern you. I believe it was March 21st last year that there was a blizzard across much of the area. So this is not done yet. All right. Today's snow is pretty paltry, stays to the south over here. And we later tomorrow afternoon, tomorrow night, what is predominantly a warm rainstorm may begin to snow and sleet all the way down to the coast over here. We'll keep an eye on that for you. Now, I want to show you this evolution. This is March 15th, 1956. And this is you say, you're telling me that there could be 2 big storms back to back. How can that happen at this time of the year? I'm going to show you the perfect example. This is March 15th, 1956, the upper air pattern. Here's the surface pattern, big cold high in the northeast. We get to March 16th. You can see how that trough is deepening in, right? And here comes the low up the Ohio Valley, going to redevelop off the mid-Atlantic coast. And there it goes March 17th. So it's on its way out to sea. But now watch this. Watch what this clipper can do, because they become very dangerous at this time of the year. There's your 500 millibar on the 18th. And there's the surface map. There's the low coming down toward Ohio. Cold high sticking into the northeast. Get to March 19th. There's the upper air low located along the southeast coast of New England, and the storm is just blasting the eastern seaboard at the time. So, I can't guarantee you that that's going to happen, but if you're going to see a setup that could lead to problems, it appears that day 10 through 20, that could be the case. So we'll keep an eye on it. Enjoy the weather. It's the only weather you got.